How to use Graphene Infused Waterless Wash. Pearl Nano's Graphene Infused Waterless Wash is a spray-on detailer. This product can be used on exterior surfaces including glass. It safely cleans and protects your vehicle with graphene technology. To use Pearl Nano's Graphene Infused Waterless Wash, spray it onto the surface of your vehicle and onto a clean microfiber towel. Buff in the product. Then fold your towel and buff out the product with a clean side of the microfiber towel. Repeat until clean and enjoy a shiny, slick surface. Purchase your bottle today at pearlnano.com or calling alldetailers.com.